each and everyone present over here, respected Chairman Sir, ADG Sir, Dean Ma'am, my faculty colleagues, my dear students and participants. Thank you for joining us. I, Dr. Madhusmita Mohanty, Assistant Professor, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, will be your moderator for today. So just a little bit housekeeping, like if you have any question during the presentation, during the session, please type them in the question box. So I will bring them off. At the end of the session, we will have the question and answer session. So today's discussion on the topic is career opportunities in wealth management. As we all know, wealth management, the term indicates and realizes the common man for the future savings and securities. Like according to Benjamin Graham, if you are shopping for a common stocks, choose them the way you would buy the groceries, not the way you would buy perfume. It means when you are thinking of a common stock as a sort of household necessities and select them accordingly. Don't take a chance on a common stock solely for novelty or the status. To address this particular emerging topic, today we are having a great and expert with us. Without any delay, let us welcome our expert for the today's session, Mr. Dhananjay Bantia, who is a keynote speaker, financial market expert, a mentor, and also the founder of the Smart Upman Consulting. He is also associated with leading financial institutions, academics like NSE, AFM, CIEC. Along with this, in his credentials, he is also visiting faculties to many of the top B schools of the country. Along with this, he is also associated with a very good financial planner with top corporates like Wipro, TCS, Tata Group, L&T, NDRF, BSNL, and many more. Many companies are associated with SARS expertise. So he is also having more than 17 plus years of experience as a certified planner and investment manager. Now, without any further ado, I would like to welcome our expert, today's expert, Mr. Dhananjay Bantia, sir. Sir, please welcome, sir, and over to you, sir.
And thank you, ma'am, for the warm introduction. I believe that when it comes to financial market, we all are students of this market, and it is very difficult for me to claim myself to be an expert of this particular domain, because this is a very evolving industry. Every day there is something new that is coming in. And I would again like to thank the management for giving me this platform of expressing my insights and ideas among the student community. And I believe that next 1 hour will be a kind of insightful session that I will be delivering to help the students understand this particular market. How does one can look at an opportunity in this particular domain. And I believe that this is the next big thing. This is the next big thing that happens in this industry. And truly, you have to understand and you have to respect one fact, that each and everything that we do, each and everything that we do in our real life basis, if you start connecting to this market, life becomes more easy. You start expressing it, you start enjoying it. And this is a market for people who are into a different mindset altogether. Trust me, because people have lots of apprehension about this wealth management market and all. But I generally ask people when I start my session, if I ask you a simple question, I will request all the participants, please type in the chat box. Please type in the chat box, what is the purpose of your life? If participant can type in the chat box, what is the purpose of your life, it would be great. I'll request all the participants, let us make this session a bit interactive. If I ask you a question, a simple question, what is the purpose of your life? What will be your response? Yes. If I ask this simple question to you, what will be your response? What is the purpose of your life? Let me see what is the response I get in the chat box. Okay, I'll request everyone, please be active in the chat box, because if you are not active, because it's a virtual session, the only way of understanding whether you are able to connect with the session or not, it with the help of a chat box. I got one response from Jagdish to make our parents proud. Wonderful. Yes, I'll request all the participants. You take your time. I have 30 seconds for you. If there's a simple question that is asked to you, what is the purpose of your life? This is not a session on Paramatma and Atma. I am not a monk. मेरे सर के पीछे कोई चक्री नहीं चल रही है. So you take it very lightly. This is a pure financial session, but to make our parent proud and achieve goals. Wonderful, Mamta. Wonderful response. To increase my standard of living and see my parents happy. Great. Can I have a few more response before I take it forward? To gain experience in reality by my skills. Arun, wonderful. The purpose of my life is to be useful in every solution. Great, wonderful. So we have mixed feeling, right? We have a mixed response from all the participants. Actually, I was doing one session at Lucknow. I was asking one of the officer that, sir, what is the purpose of your life? आप जी क्यों रहे हो? मेरा उनके सवाल था कि सर आप जी क्यों रहे हो? उन्होंने रिप्लाई नहीं किया, वो हंसते रह गए. तो मैंने फिर से उनको पूछा कि सर आप जी क्यों रहे हो? तो फिर भी उसने कुछ रिप्लाई नहीं किया, फिर भी मेरे को देख के हंस रहे हैं. फिर से जब मैंने बोला कि सर आप जी क्यों रहे हो, तो वो बोलता है क्या मैं मर जाऊं? तो मैंने बोला नहीं सर, मैंने आपको ये नहीं पूछा है कि आप जिंदा क्यों हो, मैंने आपको पूछा है कि आप जी क्यों रहे हो. There's a difference between आप जिंदा क्यों और आप जी क्यों रहे हो. तो मैंने उनको बोला कि सर आप जी क्यों रहे हो, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट a purpose. So he said my purpose is to be happy. The purpose of his life was to be happy. Then I said suppose assume that I have a divine power और मैंने आपको तथास्तु बोल दिया और आप हैप्पी हो गए, इसके बाद आप क्या करोगे? वो बोलता है सर इसके बाद क्या करूंगा. तो मैंने वही बोला ना सर, आपका लाइफ का पर्पस था टू बी हैप्पी, तो मैंने आपको हैप्पी कर दिया, इसके बाद आप क्या करोगे? तो वो कुछ बोले नहीं. दूसरे पार्टिसिपेंट बोलता है कि सर द पर्पस ऑफ माय लाइफ इज टू बी पीसफुल, आई वांट टू लिव इन पीस. तो मैंने बोला सर तथास्तु, आज से आप पीस पे रहोगे, इसके बाद क्या करोगे? बोलता है नथिंग. कोई बोलता है माय पर्पस इज लाइफ इज टू बी सक्सेसफुल, सर आप सक्सेसफुल हो गए, इसके बाद क्या करोगे? यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट if you want to make a career in the financial market or a wealth management industry, you have to be driven by one purpose, that is growth and expansion. If the purpose of your life is growth and expansion, this is a wonderful industry to be in. अगर आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता है, कृपया करके बहुत सारे और वर्टिकल हैं, उस पे टाइम बिताइए. Wealth management is not an industry for you, because this is an industry where the people have to have lots of passion. People need to believe that tomorrow can be better than today. People believe that this is just a starting point, or kahin na kahin there are different ventures, different output, different results that I am going to resonate in the entire journey, right? I hope you all connected. The purpose of life, happiness, peace, and all that is all factor. These are all factor that will help you achieving the purpose. But happiness is cannot be a purpose. Happiness is a part of the process, and that can be all kind of input that we have to take in to achieve what we call as expansion. And the people who believe that they are the one who are more energetic and they are the one who still work hard. आपको पता है रतन टाटा सर की एज कितनी है? Any idea what is the age of Ratan Tata sir, Ajim Premji sir, Narayan Murthy sir? Please, if you can type in any guess. What is the age? Any idea? 80 and all that, right? अब देखो at the age of 80, these people still believe. आपको लगता है कि रतन टाटा सर को पेंशन का जरूरत है कि अगर वो काम पे नहीं जाएंगे तो कल उनको घर पे पेंशन नहीं आएगा? That is not the answer, right? What I am saying is रतन टाटा सर या कोई भी जो आदमी पैशनेट होता है ना, the one who believes yes I can contribute till I am alive, these are the people who will create wealth and they will make a better society. So my request to all the participants out there is, first of all, you have to appreciate that this is a wonderful subject to be in. You have to appreciate the fact that yes, when we are living in this world, which we have to talk practical, when we have to be pragmatic in nature. क्योंकि मेरे जो मेंटर है मुझे दो ही बताते हैं कि at the end of the day हमको बोला गया ना कि हमको मोक्ष प्राप्त करना है, that is the ultimate objective of human life. लेकिन उसका दो तरीका है. एक तरीका है धर्म और ध्यान, दूसरा तरीका है कर्म और ज्ञान. So we have selected the second part, that is karam or gyan. So we have to focus on knowledge and we have to work on our work to achieve that particular zone that we plan to do. Second is in this pandemic time, अभी ये जो कोविड का समय चल रहा है ना, अब यहाँ पर क्या है ना, लोग थोड़े से ज्यादा क्या कहते हैं ना आध्यात्मिक हो जाते हैं और लोग being spiritual is wonderful. I believe that is one thing that you need to have. But कभी-कभी क्या होता है ना कि हम अपने डिसीजंस को अपने एनवायरनमेंट के हिसाब से फ्लक्चुएट करते हैं। लोग आपको अभी बोलेंगे देखो ये लुकोटा 500 करोड़ में था, उस आदमी के पास 200 करोड़ था, 1000 करोड़ था, 50 करोड़ था, देखो वो चला गया खाली हाथ। तो जो लोग ये स्टेटमेंट देते हैं ना कि क्या लेके आए और क्या लेके जाओगे, मैं सबसे पहले उनको ये सवाल पूछता हूँ कि सर आपको लेके जाना क्यों है? So why you have an intention that you are going to take back? Why do you have an intention? आपका ये intention क्यों है कि आपको कुछ लेके जाना है? And second and the most important factor, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute, okay. So the second and the most important factor that I want to focus over here is, because one thing is very clear that we need money in our day-to-day life from the day we are born until the day we are alive. Let me ask one of the participants. I'll request any one participant if you can just kindly unmute yourself. I just want to interact with one participant. Anyone of you can unmute and you can just start. If anyone would like, you can raise your hand, or maybe Madhu ma'am can ask any participant to unmute. Anyone?
The students, those.
Please raise your hand. I will request participant if you can raise your hand so that we can. Roni, कौन है? Amit Kumar Mahanti, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Amit, आप कौन से लोकेशन से हो?
Sir,
आप कौन से लोकेशन से हो? आपका लोकेशन क्या है?
sir, केवंझर ओडिशा.
ओके, केवंझर ओडिशा. ओके. अमित, अगर आपको
Amit, you are from which place?
हाँ, केवंझर मैम.
Amit, you are from which place?
Sir, केवंझर ओडिशा.
Okay, केवंझर ओडिशा. अगर अमित, say for example you are there in Bhubaneswar, example, and you want to travel to Hyderabad, आप कैसे travel करोगे? If you want to travel from Bhubaneswar to Hyderabad, आप कैसे travel करोगे?
Sir, as per the situation as well as the financial condition.
Okay, suppose the financial condition is good, तो आप कैसे travel करोगे?
To save our time, must be in flight.
Flight. Okay. After you will take a flight ticket, right? And after taking a flight ticket from Bhubaneswar to Hyderabad, जब आप हैदराबाद पहुंच जाओगे, after reaching Hyderabad, what will be the value of flight ticket?
No value.
What will be the
Zero.
value? Zero, right? After reaching Hyderabad, the value of the flight ticket will become zero. तो इस बार जब आप भुवनेश्वर एयरपोर्ट में जाएं, वहां पर मैडम को बोलो, मैडम हैदराबाद पहुंचने के बाद फ्लाइट का टिकट का वैल्यू ऐसे ही जीरो होने वाला है, आप मेरे को फ्री में ले जाओ, क्या वो आपको लेके जाएंगे कि नहीं लेके जाएंगे?
No, sir.
नहीं लेके जाएंगे ना. वो आपको क्या बोलेंगे? बोले सर, you are absolutely right that after reaching Hyderabad, the value of the flight ticket will become zero. But the problem is to travel this journey. To travel this journey from Bhubaneswar to Hyderabad, you have to pay. The same way to travel this journey of life from our birth till our death, you have to pay for your payments. बच्चा जब जन्म होता है, डायपर से खर्चा चालू होता है, and if you don't maintain a great fitness level, आपका एंड भी डायपर से ही होता है. This is the hardcore reality of this life. So what I'm saying is, be very clear. Practical रहिए लाइफ में, तो ये सब्जेक्ट में मजा आएगा. प्रैक्टिकल नहीं जियोगे ना, you get into the confusion zone. और इंडिया में people get confused. People get confused with respect to money management. सुबह 7 बजे वो देखते हैं आस्था चैनल, वहां पर बाबा जी बोलते हैं पैसा मोह माया है त्याग दो. और 11 बजे हम देखते हैं ऑफिस का अकाउंट्स, किसको पेमेंट देना है, कहां से पेमेंट आया. तो हमको पता ही नहीं कि हमको पैसा चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए. व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज यू हैव टू बी क्लियर, चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए. अगर आपको ये कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है ना कि चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए, दैट इज वेयर द ट्रबल स्टार्ट्स. आई एम वेरी क्लियर कि पैसा चाहिए, यस. कितना चाहिए वो डिपेंड करता है आपके ऊपर. कितना सर ज्यादा चाहिए कम चाहिए वो सब्जेक्टिव है, इंडिविजुअल कॉल. And we can always be an opinion maker, but we don't know the reality from inside. हमको ऐसा लगता है कि ये बड़ा आदमी को और पैसा चाहिए. आंसर इज नो, he has a different theme. उसका और विजन है. आपको लग रहा है कि उसको पैसा कम्स ऑटो मोड. कभी कभी आपको ऐसा लग रहा है क्योंकि पैसे वाले और पैसे बनाते हैं. क्यों बनाते हैं ना, वो पैसे पे फोकस ही नहीं करते. दे फोकस ऑन द वैल्यू क्रिएशन एंड द मनी कम्स बाय डिफॉल्ट. आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि वो पैसा कमाने के लिए एफर्ट कर रहा है, बट स्टिल मनी गेट्स क्रिएटेड. This is the ground reality that happens in this particular industry. So be very clear with our understanding of the subject. So let us come into the main theme of today's, जो आज हमारा topic है. career opportunities in wealth management. See, career opportunity बाद में आएगा, पहले ये है कि are you prepared for it? Are you prepared for it? That is important. If I am prepared for it, then there is an opportunity. If I am not prepared, then there is always a crisis. So that depends upon people with a mindset. There is somebody who can see crisis in opportunity, and there is somebody who can see opportunity in crisis. जैसे COVID हुआ ना, COVID was a crisis, but people saw some opportunity. और there are some people they are just waiting कि COVID जब ठीक होगा तभी मैं लाइफ में कुछ करूंगा, नहीं तो फिर मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा. Trust me, the people who are just waiting for COVID to get over, they will have to wait longer. आपको एक्शन लेना पड़ेगा. आपके पास में विकल्प क्या है? What are the solutions that you have? You have to focus on the solution rather than just carrying the problem from year 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So when you want to be really a part of this wonderful industry, one thing that you have to be very clear is this is the industry where you don't need knowledge, you need dynamic knowledge. People say that you need knowledge. I believe no, knowledge is just a very small word. You need dynamic knowledge because this industry is evolving in nature. आज जो terms हैं कल change हो जाएगा. आज जो policies है change हो जाएंगे. Taxation will change, the scenario will change, the SEBI guidelines will change, the regulators directive will change, the way the funds are managed will change, the perception of people will change, the company will change, the brand will change, the logo will, everything will change. And ये change को आपको accept करना है. हमको change को accept करना पड़ेगा. And for accepting change, we need people with rich mindset. The people with a rich mindset can only accept change. जिसका mindset rich नहीं रहेगा, वो change accept कर ही नहीं पाएगा. और the problem in India is people don't change, and they only change when change is the only option left. अगर और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं बचा तो लोग चेंज हो जाएंगे. नहीं तो स्टार्टिंग में आप देखो ना, जब कंप्यूटर्स भी आया था ना, तो हमने विरोध किया था कि कंप्यूटर आने से हमारा नौकरी चला जाएगा, ऐसा हो जाएगा. बैंक में स्ट्राइक हुआ था. अभी बिना कंप्यूटर के तो आप एक काम भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो. दैट मींस you have to accept the change. And if you are the one who believe that I believe in getting my knowledge updated till today, I have been spending industry for last 14 years. आज भी मुझे पढ़ना पड़ता है so that I can face the audience. If I don't update myself, this is just like a profession of a doctor. आप देखो डॉक्टर जो 60 साल के भी होते हैं वो पढ़ते हैं रात को. देखा है आपने, नोटिस किया है कि कोई 60 साल के एज के डॉक्टर भी रात को पढ़ते हैं, because they believe that the industry or the profession into which they are, it is evolving in nature. The same way, the people who are into wealth management, they are called financial doctors. They are called financial doctors. उनको manage करना है लोगों को, wealth को. And that is also very important. Looking at the kind of current challenges that we all are facing, I believe that you need to have a clarity and understanding of the subject, and you have to be updated on this. 2008 में क्या था, 2012 में, 2020 में सेम है ही नहीं. इनफैक्ट हमारे करिकुलम चेंज हो गए. Sujata ma'am is there. We have senior people who have been into the academic world for last 30-35 years. You can ask them कि जो papers आज से 20 साल पहले थे, आज वो पेपर है ही नहीं सिलेबस में. We were studying data statistics, आज हम बात कर रहे हैं data analytics. We were studying outdoor marketing, अभी बात कर रहे हैं digital marketing. तो पेपर भी वैसा नहीं है. और मुझे तो लगता है कि जो मैंने 2008 में MBA किया था ना, उसका आज का वैल्यू 0 है. I have to do one more MBA to ensure that I am updated. This is what is the reality. Yes or no? How many of you agree with me कि सर ये हो रहा है? अगर आपको agree करते हो और you are able to connect to it, please type in yes in the chat box. क्योंकि this is the post lunch session. My first job is to ensure that I keep you awake. That is my first job. Knowledge तुम्हें बाद में देगा. पहले एटलीस्ट आप जागते रहो. That is the important priority. So let me see how many of you are awake. We have 65 people. Let me see how many people are listening to me. How many people believe that yes sir कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? क्योंकि अभी बहुत this is the best phase of life. बिस्तर में आराम से हमको रहना है. सर ज्ञान दे रहे हैं, हमको ज्ञान लेना है. एसी ऑन है. इससे अच्छा जिंदगी मतलब ऊपर वाले को ना आपको नारियल चढ़ाना चाहिए 2 बार कि ऊपर वाले, इससे ऐसा जिंदगी मेरे को कहाँ मिलेगा बताओ. Okay, wonderful, great to see the kind of response from all the participants in the chat box. Okay, so one more thing that I want to highlight over here is, because when I said this is a dynamic industry, your exposure to knowledge beyond your academics is very important. It is not what your academics is perfectly fine. It is as per the mandate, but important is और क्या है. Example, मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछता हूँ. अगर आपके पास घर के पास दो समोसे वाले हैं जो समोसा बेचते हैं और दोनों का समोसा एक ही जैसा टेस्ट है, द क्वालिटी ऑफ समोसा इज सेम। एक समोसा वाला ओनली समोसा बेचता है और दूसरा वाला समोसा विद चटनी बेचता है। आप किसके पास समोसा खाएंगे? आपके पास दो समोसा वाला है, एक समोसा वाला सिर्फ समोसा बेच रहा है, दूसरा समोसा विद चटनी। आप किसके पास समोसा खाओगे?
समोसा विद चटनी।
आप कहोगे कि सर समोसा विद चटनी, राइट? वैसे जैसे आप कह रहे हो ना कि समोसा विद चटनी, वैसे ही जब कैंपस में कंपनी आती है ना, वो भी देखता है कि इसमें से कौन सा कैंडिडेट है जिसके पास चटनी अवेलेबल है। चटनी इज अपार्ट फ्रॉम एमबीए इसने और क्या किया है? Whether you have done that additional certification, whether you have that extra knowledge, whether you have that extra insight, do you understand the practicality of the market? Have you opened your trading account? Have you opened your demat account? Do you have a practical exposure to the same? Do you understand mutual fund? Do you understand commodities market? Do you understand derivatives market? Do you understand interest rate future? Do you understand how the regulator works? Have you visited the website? Have you subscribed to any channels of top B schools in the country? आप में से कितने जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल वी नो दैट देयर आर टॉप योर इंस्टीट्यूट इज रेटेड वन ऑफ द टॉप बी स्कूल्स इन द कंट्री। व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज जब भी हमको सीखना है ना, सीखने के लिए हमें कम्पीट नहीं करना है, सीख तो हम किसी भी सकते हैं। आप में से हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी के बी स्कूल चैनल को किसने यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया है? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव सब्सक्राइब टू हार्वर्ड बी स्कूल यूट्यूब चैनल? आप में से कितने जनों ने सब्सक्राइब किया है? आप बोलोगे सर हमने किसी ने नहीं किया है। अमित says yes, okay, and I want the honest, I believe I am trust that Amit and Abhijit are honest with the response. What about the other? अगर नहीं किया प्लीज टाइप इन नो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, इसने आपने कोई गुनाह नहीं कर लिया कि मैंने नहीं किया तो दिक्कत है। This Rishikesh Des says no, okay. See, so what I am saying is this is a dream. हमारा सबका ड्रीम होता है ना, there is a dream कि let us do an MBA from Harvard, वो एक ड्रीम होता है। ठीक है, कुछ कारण से हम वहां पर नहीं पहुंच पाए। Who is stopping you? Who is stopping you to have your knowledge updated? Who is stopping you to understand how they are doing it? क्या हम थोड़ा सा उनसे इंसाइट ले सकते हैं? The content is free of cost, and you have to understand that there are people who say that कि सर आजकल तो YouTube में सब कुछ फ्री में मिलता है। I believe that nothing is free in this world. If you want to gain knowledge, you have to pay attention. नॉलेज के लिए भी यू हैव टू पे समथिंग दैट इज कॉल्ड अटेंशन। यस और नो? टू गेट नॉलेज यू हैव टू पे अटेंशन। बिना अटेंशन के आप नॉलेज भी नहीं ले पाओगे। सो नथिंग कम्स फ्री इन दिस लाइफ। माय सिंसियर रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट, यू आर ऑल फ्यूचर मैनेजर्स। जहां पर आप बैठे हो है, जितना एफर्ट आप पुट इन कर रहे हो ना, इतना एफर्ट से काम नहीं बनेगा। The effort has to be multiplied. The power of compounding will be witnessed when you multiply the effect and you start believing that yes, I am in a position to at least face certain questions, which is insightful, which is something where there has to be some brainstorming done. The world is become so small. I can watch a YouTube channel from a university in New Zealand. I can watch a YouTube channel from a university in this. हमको यहाँ पर दिक्कत है कि IPL में कौन जीतेगा, और आदमी यहाँ पर घर पे बैठ के ना कोरोना का स्कोर कार्ड देखता है। जानता है कटक में आज 500 केस आया। अरे भाई कटक में 500 आया है, 200 आया, तुम स्कोर कार्ड क्यों देख रहा है? दिस इज नॉट अ क्रिकेट मैच कि यू हैव टू गो एवरी मॉर्निंग एंड चेक व्हाट इज द स्कोर कार्ड। स्पेंड योर टाइम ऑन क्वालिटेटिव स्टफ। यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, ग्रेट पीपल से दैट योर टाइम इज योर करेंसी। It is all about the kind of input that you take in. I always share this one beautiful thing during my session. I always say that life is a calculation of your input and output. आपका इनपुट सही रहेगा तो आपका आउटपुट सही रहेगा। If the input goes wrong, the output is that what is missing, right? So first thing, if you really want to make a career in this wealth management industry, be very clear that it has to be a dynamic kind of industry and the knowledge has to be updated on a regular basis. मैटर नहीं करता है कि आपकी उम्र 20 साल है कि 60 साल है। अगर आप इंडस्ट्री में हो तो ज्ञान लीजिए, सर्टिफिकेशन लीजिए, नए नए डायनामिक्स को एक्सेप्ट कीजिए। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर अवेयर ऑफ बिटकॉइंस? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर अवेयर ऑफ बिटकॉइंस? नहीं, आई एम टॉकिंग जस्ट, खाली नाम नहीं सुना है, मैं नाम नहीं सुनना है। माय क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर अवेयर ऑफ बिटकॉइंस? आई डोंट वांट कि सर मैंने नाम सुना है, नाम तो मैंने भी सुना है। आप में से कितने जन हो, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर अवेयर अबाउट बिटकॉइंस? यस, yes, no, okay. So what I'm saying is I don't want you to trade in bitcoins. मैं bitcoin में trade करना नहीं कह रहा हूँ, मैं कह रहा हूँ you need to be aware कि होता कैसा है, what is cryptocurrencies, what is blockchain technology, how does it works, what is the purpose of it. I want you to be updated. How many of you know what is P2P lending? How many of you know what is covered bond? How many of you know how does the इंटरेस्ट रेट स्वैप वर्क्स? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो दैट जब आरबीआई के जो गवर्नर हैं हमारे उड़ीसा से हैं, वी आर ग्रेटफुल टू हिम, वो जब कोई स्पीच देते हैं स्टेटमेंट यूज करते हैं एलटीआर और रेपो, रिवर्स रेपो, सीएलआर, अदर फैक्टर कैन बी डिकोड. क्या मैं थोड़ा सा उसको समझ पा रहा हूँ? एम आई एबल टू अप्लाई इन माई नॉर्मल लाइफ? व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज कि ये सब पैशन की चीज है. अगर आपको लगता है कि यार कुछ ना कुछ तो बंदा इंटेलिजेंट है बोल रहा है तो कुछ सुनना चाहिए, इसको डिकोड करना है. दिस इज एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम यू because I believe that you are a management student. I will not ask this question to a NASA scientist because that is not his trade. लेकिन अगर आपको अपने जो हम बोलते हैं ना कि आई एम MBA in finance, MBA in finance का मतलब होता है कि हमने एक सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर में थोड़ी सी मास्टरी की है. मास्टरी का वर्ड होता है कि थोड़ा हमारा पकड़ आम जनता के ऊपर से ज्यादा होगा. दिस इज व्हाट द ब्यूटी, राइट? follow and it is very easy. I'll give you a trick to the student community. आपको करना क्या है पता है? You select one topic. This is what I do and I have been very successful in doing this. आपको क्या करने का है? Take one topic, find out a time कि सर ये मेरा टाइम रहेगा सुबह 8 से लेके 9:30 और या शाम को लेके 7 से लेके 8:30. वो एक टॉपिक पे एक वीक पूरा फोकस करो. Suppose this today topic is I want to understand the working of RBI. So you have all the blogs, you have all the documents, you have the RBI website. आप खाली देखो कि RBI का business model, actually business model is not the right word, operational model. How does the RBI works? You have a clarity. Once you study a subject for 7 days, trust me, on the 8th day you will have a command on the subject. सर मैं बता सकता हूँ कैसे काम होता है. Second, how does SEBI works? How does PFRDA works? So select one topic every week, one topic, 4 एक महीने में 4 topic. And with the day you have command over 50 topic. उसके बाद आपको उठा के गोद में ले जाएगा प्लेसमेंट कंपनी वाला. उन लोग बोलेंगे कि नहीं मेरे को इनको लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि कारण क्या है कि आप में वो रिफ्लेक्शन आएगा कि इस बंदे में कितनी रिफाइनमेंट है. दिस इज द वेरी सिंपलेस्ट. you are just spending 1.5 hours, nothing more than that. Are you committing me कि सर आने going forward we will ensure that at least 1.5 hours will be spending on subject which is not a part of my curriculum. Curriculum जो है अच्छा है, with due respect I am not saying कि वो अच्छा है कि नहीं. this is I am not an opinion maker. I have to, अगर ये कुछ बनाया गया तो आपके हिसाब से अच्छा बनाया होगा. मैं कह रहा हूँ चटनी, I am focusing on the chutney factor. Chutney is add on. How many of you commit कि सर आज से 1.5 घंटा we will ensure that we get our this knowledge updated so that we are ready for this industry. If you commit, please type in yes in the chat box. Let me see how many of you truly believe that yes. We have Subhangana. So Abhijit says yes. Mamta says yes. Devasis says yes. Chinmay, Swarup, Jagdish Reddy, Ritesh, wonderful, great. This is what I want. ये पैशन चाहिए, ये वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट में यही चाहिए. I had 2 options. मैं आपको एक PPT दिखाता. In wealth management, you can get a role of a wealth manager wherein you have to go to office and you have to open your file and laptop and you have to talk to client. ये तो हो गया पुराना तरीका. उसके बाद मैंने मेंटोस खाया, उसके बोला ये है मेंटोस जिंदगी, जहाँ पर you have to get into a secondary mode, right? This is first thing. Second is this communication. Trust me, this is what I believe is the soul of wealth management. Your communication skill. The problem is people are knowledgeable, but problem क्या है, उनका knowledge जो है ना वो किसी और से express नहीं कर पाते. Communication is one thing which will make you super successful in this industry. It is just not what you say restricted to the knowledge part. It is with respect to your communication, how authentic with you are with your communication, the clarity with which you are able to relate a particular topic, the clarity with which you are able to ensure that a common man understands or decode what you wish to say. क्योंकि एक wealth manager जो है किसका फंड मैनेज करेगा, दूसरा वेल्थ मैनेजर का कि नॉर्मल पीपल का? आपको क्या लगता है एक वेल्थ मैनेजर किसका वेल्थ मैनेज करेगा, किसी और वेल्थ मैनेजर का कि आम जनता का? इट इज द कॉमन मैन, राइट? इट इज द कॉमन मैन। अगर उसमें तुम बोलोगे कि नहीं कॉमन मैन का जो है वो वेल्थ करेगा, उसको अगर मैं कॉमन मैन को बोलूँ ना, कॉमन मैन मेरे को पूछेगा कि सर आपको क्या लग रहा है मार्केट, तो मैं बोलूंगा सर इफ यू लुक एट द करंट मार्केट सिनारियो एट द पी लेवल ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग and looking at the market cap and the kind of money that comes from the US market and the kind of competition that we have from China, we believe that in long term we may not be able to get the profit margin. Already the Sensex earning is at this EPS. तो क्लाइंट बोलेगा ये क्या बोला, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, क्योंकि सर हमको क्लाइंट के सामने फंड मैनेजर की तरह बात नहीं करना है। क्लाइंट के सामने when you talk with people who want to take your service, it has to be a normal communication. It has to be a communication that help people to decode what the subject is all about. People ask me this question. I have traveled to more than 20 states. I have an opportunity to deal with NPA, CISF, Indian Army, BSF, ISRO, and all that. So when they ask question, you have to ensure that, because for them this is a world full of jargon. ये jargon से भरी हुई दुनिया है। आपको यहाँ पर सवाल पूछने हैं, उनको पूछना है। अब वो आपको ये पूछेंगे कि धनंजय जी ये जो स्टॉक मार्केट, do you think it is risky? Then I say yes, it is risky. Then why should I invest money? ये क्वेश्चन अगर आपके पास आता है, do you think stock market is risky? The answer is yes, it is risky. Then why you should invest your money? Then that is where your communication skill come into picture. You cannot come with a data point every time. How do you defend? Then I say that, madam, what is the meaning of risk? That is the first question that I ask. People have an apprehension that the meaning of risk is loss. The meaning of risk is पैसा डूब जाएगा. The meaning of risk is नुकसान हो जाएगा. I say that the technical meaning of risk is only one thing, that is uncertainty. आज के डेट में हवा में सांस लेना भी रिस्क है, इसलिए हम मास्क पहन के घूम रहे हैं ना। हवा में सांस, breathing has become a risk. Climbing up the staircase is also a risk. Climbing down a staircase is also a risk. गाड़ी चलाना भी रिस्क है, बाइक चलाना भी रिस्क है, कार चलाना भी रिस्क है, रास्ते में चलना भी रिस्क है, बाथरूम में साबुन से नहाना भी रिस्क है। Before 2 days there was an article कि एक आदमी बाथरूम में साबुन से स्लिप करके डेथ हो गया। अब तो आप बोलोगे सर साबुन से नहाना भी रिस्क है। तो what I am saying is the technical meaning of risk is not loss. The technical meaning of risk is uncertainty. आपका जो 5 साल का बच्चा सुबह बस में स्कूल जाता है वो भी एक रिस्क है। Sending a 5-year-old kid to school in a bus is also a risk. Then they understand कि नहीं यार ये सही बोल रहा है कि रिस्क का मतलब लॉस नहीं होता है, रिस्क का मतलब अनसर्टेनिटी होता है। That is what I'm saying. Your communication, the way you use the anecdotes, examples, idioms, insight, वो लोगों से कनेक्ट करता है, वो लोगों को जोड़ता है। It connects with people. People start trusting you. People start believing you कि ये बंदा जो बात कर रहा है, there is an honesty in his talk, and you have to be honest, because this is what I believe. Today, right now, we are living in a world wherein information is available at a click of a button. आगे हम क्लाइंट को उल्लू बना सकते थे, अभी आप उल्लू नहीं बनाओगे, क्योंकि आप जो बोलोगे क्लाइंट गूगल से पूछेगा, नहीं तो एलेक्सा से पूछेगा। एलेक्सा इज माय वेल्थ मैनेजर सेइंग द राइट थिंग। एलेक्सा बोलेगा नो सर, ही इज फूलिंग यू, वो आपको घर से बाहर निकालेगा। अभी आज के डेट में द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस फाइनेंशियल मार्केट इज you have to talk honestly, and you have to ensure that the way you talk, whatever message that you really want to pass on, it has to be ensure that कि वो सामने वाला उसको वेवलेंथ में ले जिस वेवलेंथ में आप उसे कम्युनिकेट करना चाहते हैं। If you are able to pass on the information in the same wavelength which is expected from the other person to take on from the same wavelength, that is where the deal get closed. So this is the second thing. I believe that people don't talk about this particular factor on ground. I have experienced this. Right now, I am helping more than 100 financial consultants across country. I am helping them for their business growth, for their branding, for their communication. तो मुझे पता है कि कहाँ ग्राउंड में चैलेंज है, and this is a wonderful industry. बहुत पैसा है, you earn lots of money in this industry. But अगर आपने एथिक्स में कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लिया, आपने प्रिंसिपल पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लिया, आप खत्म। मतलब once you lose your brand in this industry, the industry will never give you a second chance. That is the problem with this industry. तो ये जितना आपको पैसा देता है, रेस्पेक्ट देता है, नेम ऑफ फेम भी देता है, it takes one mistake of yours and you are out of this industry. So you have to be very clear with your communication. It has to ensure that there is a lots of transparency that you put in into the entire process of communication, and you help people to understand and decode whatever the jargons that are there related to this particular industry, right? People ask them, धनंजय मेरे को कौन सा कंपनी का शेयर लेना चाहिए? मैं कहता हूँ कि सर जो कंपनी आपसे पैसा लेती है उसी का आप शेयर ले लो। बोलता है मतलब समझ में नहीं आया। मैंने बोला सर सुबह आप कोलगेट से ब्रश करते हो? बोलता करता हूँ। मैं कहता हूँ आप कोलगेट का शेयर ले लो, क्योंकि खर्चा तो कोलगेट पे आपका होता है। अगर कोलगेट के खर्चा करोगे तो एटलीस्ट आपको वहां पर कुछ मिल जाएगा। धनंजय और क्या लूं? सर आपके बच्चे मैगी खाते हैं शाम को? यस मेरे बच्चे मैगी खाते हैं। सर आप नेस्ले ले लो। सर आप कार किसका चलाते हो? मैं मारुति का कार चलाता हूँ। सर मारुति का ले लो। सर आप पेट्रोल पंप किसके पेट्रोल पंप में जाते हो? मैं इंडियन ऑयल कॉर्पोरेशन में। सर IOCL का ले लो। सर आपके घर में मैडम रोटी किससे बनाती है? वो तो आशीर्वाद आटा से, तो ITC ले लो। बच्चे बिस्किट कौन सा खाते हैं? ब्रिटानिया का, तो आप ब्रिटानिया ले लो। तो एवरी आंसर इज देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। सर आप सर पे तेल कहाँ लगाते हो? तेल का कौन सा ब्रांड का लगाते हो? वो बोलते हैं पैराशूट का, तो सर आप मारिको का ले लो। सर आपके जो घर में जब चोट लग जाता है बच्चों को तो आप क्या लगाते हैं? डेटॉल लगाते हैं। डेटॉल लगाते हैं तो उसका कंपनी का नाम उसको सर्च कीजिए, ले लीजिए। द थिंग्स दैट यू आर कंज्यूमिंग, जो चीज आप यूज कर रहे हो, आप रिलायंस का डेटा यूज कर रहे हो तो आप रिलायंस के शेयर होल्डर बन जाओ। आई एम नॉट रिकमेंडिंग एनी कंपनी। व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज द कंपनीज व्हिच इज द पार्ट ऑफ योर डेली लाइफ and you believe that you have been taking the services of this company for past few years and you believe this company is going to stand strong and tall for next 5 years, be a part of the stock owners or be a part of the stock ownership. This is how you communicate and make life easy for them. तो वहीं पर धनंजय SBI का क्या करने का है? मैं बोलता हूँ सर आपका FD कहाँ पर है? बोलते हैं मैं FD फिक्स डिपॉजिट जो है स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में। तो मैंने बोला कि सर एक काम करो, आप स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का शेयर ले लो। वो कहता है कि क्यों? मैंने बोला कि सर अगर आपने SBI का FD में पैसा रखा है, व्हाई यू कीप इन FD? बिकॉज यू ट्रस्ट SBI और आपको लगता है कि थोड़ा सा जो है 5-6% रिटर्न मिले। लास्ट 10 साल का जो उसका स्टॉक का रिटर्न इज बेटर देन द FD रिटर्न। दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई यू कैन ऑलवेज लुक एट इट। देयर इज नो कंपल्सन नहीं कि आपको ये करना है। मैं आपको ओपिनियन दे रहा हूँ। दिस इज माय ओपिनियन एज अ फाइनेंशियल मार्केट प्रोफेशनल हु हैव स्पेंट सम टाइम अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस ओशन काइंड ऑफ सब्जेक्ट। आपने कम्युनिकेट किया, right? I hope you are able to connect to this. I hope you are getting the insight of this particular industry. Once you are able to connect, trust me, after that you will start looking for job opportunity. Job opportunity comes next. पहले आप अपने आप को क्लियर करो कि मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है। और एक मजे पे एक हमेशा टॉपिक क्या है पता है? मैं एक बार आई वेंट टू कुल्लू मनाली। जब हम नीचे उतर रहे थे तो हमने ना चाय के स्टॉल में रुका चाय पीने के लिए। तो मेरा दोस्त चाय पी रहा था। तो जब वो चाय पी रहा था ना तो चाय वाले को क्या बोलता है? बोलता है सर मजा नहीं आया। तो चाय वाला क्या बोलता है पता है? चाय बोलते वाला बोलता है सर मजा लेना पड़ता है, मजा आता नहीं है। आपको ना जिंदगी में मजा लेना पड़ेगा, मजा आएगा नहीं आपको। आप जो हो ना सलीम नहीं हो कि आपको मजा आएगा, आपको मजा लेना पड़ेगा। दिस इज व्हाट द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर इंडस्ट्री इज, राइट? Next is this one. When you talk about wealth management, ये 3 इसके ब्रह्मास्त्र हैं। अब जिस क्लाइंट से आप मिलोगे ना, the client with which you are connecting, आपको 3 चीज मैनेज करना है: रिलेशनशिप, इमोशन एंड ईगो। कोई ऐसा क्लाइंट होगा जो बोलेगा मैं राणा प्रताप हूँ, उसको सामने आपको नॉलेज नहीं दिखाने का। देयर आर पीपल हु विल से दैट आई नो एवरीथिंग। और मेरे गुरु हमेशा मुझे कहते हैं धनंजय तू ज्ञानी को समझा सकता है, अज्ञानी को समझा सकता है, अभिमानी को नहीं समझा सकता है। ये जो अभिमानी वाले कैरेक्टर होते हैं ना, ये बहुत ज्यादा है मार्केट में। वो कहेंगे कि तेरे को कुछ नहीं पता है, लेकिन आपको क्योंकि बिकॉज आपको मैंने क्या बोला, वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट। व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट मैनेजमेंट इज आल्सो इंश्योरिंग दैट यू हैव टू हैंडल पीपल विद सच काइंड ऑफ फैक्टर। दे से दैट मुझे पता है, उसको आप बोलो कि ठीक है उसको पता है, उसको जस्ट एक चाहिए, he needs somebody for the operational part and transactional part, दो नो प्रॉब्लम। आपको उसको मिस सेलिंग करना नहीं है, आपको उनको ईगो थोड़ा सा मैनेज करना और इंश्योर करना है कि यू हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर ईगो। यू हैव टू इंश्योर दैट कि उसके बर्थडे में सबसे बड़ा बुके आप भेजो, उसका सबसे बड़ा केक आपको ही भेजने का है, उसको ओकेजन न्यू ईयर में विश कर दो। दिस आर द पीपल हु विल look for that kind of thing. Second is emotion. When I talk about emotion, this is again last year COVID, when the news about this COVID pandemic came in. Trust me, people were panicked. They started calling their wealth managers and advisors, distributor and all. भाई क्या हो गया, बर्बाद हो गए, 50% नीचे मार्केट, मेरा इतना नुकसान हो गया, क्या फायदा हुआ, मैं तो बोला ही था कि स्टॉक मार्केट में डालना नहीं है, मैं तो बोला ही था कि खाली यहाँ पर ट्रेडिशनल डिपॉजिट रखो, इतना रिस्की में मेरा पैसा इतना मेहनत से कमाया. They will come with 1,000 different things. That is where you have to stand strong and tall. You say that, sir, this is a part of market dynamics, this is something that happens. But when you talk about pandemic kind of thing, pandemic is something that doesn't happen every year, sir. This is once in a century. Last time we had before 100 years, and this is what we are experiencing right now. And sir, we cannot make provision for pandemic, sir. Pandemic के लिए आप provision नहीं कर सकते. You can do provision for any other thing, but you cannot have a provision for pandemic. Maybe from future going ahead, people can start doing it. But whatever time that I have spent, I was never taught कि you have to do a provision for something called as pandemic. उसे कम्युनिकेट करना है, उसे ये कहना है कि सर आप मेरे को एक बात बताओ, आप जब शॉपिंग करते हो कब करते हो, जब 50% डिस्काउंट होता है या डिस्काउंट नहीं होता है. वो कहेगा जब 50% डिस्काउंट होता है. सर व्हाई डू यू शॉप व्हेन देयर इज अ 50% डिस्काउंट? बिकॉज यू गेट थिंग्स at a lesser price and you believe it is value for money. So वैसे ही when the stock market is in a correction mode, when the market is down, 50% पैसा नीचे में है, तो सर वहां पर आपको ये बिलीव करना है जो शेयर में 1000 में ले रहा था अभी 500 में मिल रहा है, तो मेरे को तो 500 रुपया सस्ता पड़ा ना. दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ इमोशनल हैंडलिंग. उसके जो अंदर में जो ज्वालामुखी है ना, उसको आपको शांत करना है. वो क्लाइंट वैसे एग्रेसिव होगा. एंड आई एम टॉकिंग विद एक्सपीरियंस. ये मैं आपको ज्ञान नहीं दे रहा हूँ एज अ सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्ट. This is what I go through for last 13 years. I've seen each and every phase of the market. I've seen the great correction in 2008. मैंने अभी जो 2020 का पैंडेमिक देखा, 2016 में बीच में करेक्शन आया तो देखा. मतलब आदत हो गई है. बोलते हैं ना कि झेल की आदत हो जाती है, तो ये आदत आपकी कहीं ना कहीं एक्सपीरियंस बन जाती है. And this is what you start sharing with people. And last is relationship management. That's important. It is not only restricted to knowledge. Once you are a wealth manager, you need to ensure that sometimes you become a family friend of your client. The client trusting you. Abhi kya hua? I'll give you 2 case studies. One of my client, his age was 35. His age was 35. So उनको कोविड के कारण में unfortunately he is no more. अब क्या हो रहा है ना, उसकी जो फैमिली है, उसकी फैमिली they are not in a mental position कि और कुछ बात करें. But at the end of the day, पैसा तो चाहिए ना सर्वाइवल के लिए. Because if I am a financial planner for him or I am a consultant or advisor for him, the family knows there is somebody whom I can approach in case of uncertain times. क्योंकि अभी हस्बैंड और वाइफ के बीच में फाइनेंशियल ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं रहती है. हस्बैंड को ये नहीं पता कि वाइफ के पास कितना पैसा है, वाइफ को ये नहीं पता कि हस्बैंड के पास कितना पैसा है. People don't take sufficient coverage. People don't take sufficient health insurance. People don't prepare their will. The will is again a very important part. In India, people don't prepare their will. उनका दिल में उनका will होता है. वो अपने मन में रखते हैं कि आपको एटा देवी, ताकू एटा देवी. वो जब तक जिंदा रहता है तब तक वो देता ही नहीं है. I was there in Bhubaneswar before few days. I had a word with one of a senior client. उसका एज 80 था. तो मैंने उनको बोला, और अंकल आपने बिल बना दिया है? तो वो क्या बोलते हैं, तेरे को क्या लग रहा है मैं जाने वाला हूँ? मैंने बोला नहीं अंकल, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप जाने वाले हो. मैं जैसे आपको कैजुअली पूछ रहा हूँ कि आपने बिल बनाया कि नहीं बनाया. That means will is a very important subject, because at the end of the day, succession planning is very important. How do you ensure that the entire property or the assets get distributed among your loved ones? Otherwise, they will start fighting. They will start having a tussle. आप देखो कोई भी अगर आपके कोई एडवोकेट है जो सिविलियन कोर्ट में है, उनको पूछो 80% of the tussle is with respect to property, because people don't plan their finances. They don't have their proper succession planning in place, right? So once there is somebody who is there at the helm of effect and he believes that yes, there is the advisor, there is a wealth manager, there is a consultant who is standing on behalf of me in case anything happens, which is again something which I can't predict. We are all living in uncertain times. That is where he is the one who will help me out in this scenario, right? Last is this one. What do we do? And when I talk about what is something the extra that you do, these are the 3 certifications which I will recommend participant. These are the few certifications that you can try to add on, and this is important. NISM 10A, 10B, CFP, CWM. This is what will give you a head start to the wealth management industry. There are lots of requirement. India needs more than 70,000 wealth managers. and we don't have much. अभी पता है इंडिया में सर्टिफाइड फाइनेंशियल प्लानर कितने हैं? 2 से 3,000, just 3,000. Requirement is 70,000. Requirement is 70,000 and we have only 3,000. आप समझो कितना बड़ा इंडस्ट्री है. And all the certified financial planner and all, they make big money. They start their own consulting firm. As a B school student, आप लोग सब business school student हो ना? Business school का मतलब आप लोग job school में नहीं हो, आप लोग business school में हो. Think like a businessman. How can I start my own advisory firm? How can I start my wealth consulting firm? People will come to you if you have the right knowledge, if you have the right ideas, if you talk sense, if you believe that आप जो insight दे रहे हो. Do you write a blog on personal finance? The answer is no. Do you record a small video on personal finance? The answer is no. तो अगर आप सर्टिफिकेशन भी नहीं करोगे, ब्लॉग भी नहीं लिखोगे, छोटा सा वीडियो भी नहीं क्रिएट करोगे ऑन योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड idea about personal finance, then how will people come to know what is something that you know? क्योंकि ये इंडस्ट्री में knowledge is something that has to be a part of your personality. If people don't keep assume that you are a knowledgeable entity, people will not invite you. The reason why your institute has invited me in this forum is they believe that given the fact I have the certification experience, I can talk for 1 hour. Otherwise, they have an option. There are 1,000 other people in Bhubaneswar or Cuttack or in any part of the country. They also understand that when a speaker comes to our forum, the image of both the institute and the speaker is at stake. So they have to see your knowledge level, how refined you are, what is the clarity of communication that you have. Do you have the experience, certification, the way you deliver it? मेरे पास सर्टिफिकेट तो है, एक्सपीरियंस तो है, लेकिन मैं बात नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, तो फिर भी खत्म हो जाती है कहानी. तो सर्टिफिकेशन और एक्सपीरियंस के बाद अगर आप बात नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो पंगा है. एंड डू यू थिंक दिस पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल इज अ लर्नेबल स्किल? आंसर इज यस. जितना आप पढ़ोगे, जितना बोलोगे, जितना पढ़ोगे, जितना बोलोगे, आप सीख जाओगे. द चैलेंज दैट यू पीपल आर फेसिंग राइट नाउ, आई हैड द सेम चैलेंज बिफोर 10 years. मैं नहीं बोल पाता था, सीखा सीखा सीखा, अभी हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ बोलना पड़ता है. व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज you have to take this call right now कि yes, अगर वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट जो, और पैसा सबको एक्साइट करता है, चाहे वो फुटपाथ में सब्जी क्यों ना ही बेच रहा हो या मुकेश अंबानी क्यों ना हो, पैसा जो है ना, ये टॉपिक सबको एक्साइट करता है. I will be feeling in my duty to say that कि पैसा एक्साइट नहीं करता है. Yes, it excites. The degree of excitement will change. There are people who don't want that extra money. उनको सुकून वाला जिंदगी चाहिए, सुबह उठा रात को सोया, टेंशन नहीं लेना. नो प्रॉब्लम, ओके, विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, वैसा भी करो. लेकिन अगर आप ऐसा लगता है कि सर आई एम द वन हु हैव एन एस्पिरेशन टू मेक इट बिग, टू मेक इट समथिंग impactful, then welcome to this club and I'm sure that you people are going to rock, right? So this is what I had for today's session. I just wanted to have 10-15 minutes for the Q&A part. I'll just again go back and I will just run through the slide that we have covered so that we have a small recap of today's session. So this is how we started. This is a career opportunity in wealth management. One thing is for sure, right now you will all accept and agree that this is an exciting industry. Do you think? I will need your response in the chat box. अगर आपको लगता है कि sir, yes, wealth management is the industry to be in, please type in yes in the chat box. Let me see how many of you are excited कि नहीं sir, हमको तो wealth management में आना है. हाँ, पैसा सबको चाहिए. देखो मतलब पैसे के ना, बाकी दुनिया कुछ भी हो जाए, पैसा का मोह ना, वो चलता रहेगा. Wonderful, great. Second is we talked about dynamic knowledge. Keep yourself updated, get yourself exposed to quality content, fantastic ideas that will help you to keep evolving in this particular industry. Communication skill, develop it. Listen to good speakers, listen to good trainers, see how they communicate, what are the analogy that they use, how do they carry that particular session, do they have their own signature style of delivering the same. Do you bring in that positivity? Do you bring in that confidence? Do you bring in that knowledge that is required for a particular platform? Third is, this is an industry of managing these three things. आपको तीनों manage करना पड़ेगा and you have to be grounded and humble. आपकी humility और आप कितने grounded हो, ये industry उसको reward करती है. और you have to be honest. Customer को उल्लू मत बनाइएगा. अगर आप customer को उल्लू बनाओगे, तो the inning that you are going to play will be very short term, right? And these are the certification that you can look at. And if I can be of any help, अगर मैं आपकी कुछ सहायता कर सकता हूँ, तो do connect with me. And there is a YouTube channel, Facebook channel, your Facebook page that in the same name. You can subscribe to the same. And if you have any question, you can ask. कुछ भी सवाल है, सवाल पूछिए. आप ये मत पूछिएगा कि सर आप दोपहर में खाना क्या खाया था. Apart from this, you can ask anything. Yes.
Thank you very much, sir, for the insightful session. Sir, first question came from Sujata ma'am. The question is sir, what value addition is required for B school students having specialization of marketing and finance?
Okay, ma'am, what I believe is that if you have a specialization of marketing and finance, because generally what I see is maximum B school student enter into
Actually, yes, I am just interrupting, Dhananjay sir.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mostly when business school students, they opt in the second year, finance, marketing,
Right.
HR, or healthcare, hospital management, any of the specialization.
Correct.
I believe that when you are recommending for a financial planner, besides the subject knowledge, what is being offered in a business school, you are acquainted with the syllabus, the curriculum of marketing specialization, finance specialization, and also the core courses offered in the first year, like accounting, financial accounting, or cost accounting, finance 1, finance 2, whatever is core course. You are always you have already completed in 2009 your MBA program. You are a PhD student from Ravenshaw University. I think you are very, very grounded, and you have a rich experience of 15 years in this field. Exactly, please, because the overall session was on value addition, but still specific any certification or specific anything is required for business school students, those who will complete their degree with marketing and finance as their specialization. Okay. And here I have another question. Without having finance as a specialization, can anybody pursue a career in financial planners or in wealth management? Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear? I have two questions.
So,
I have
right,
two
right.
questions.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So, ma'am, you have asked me 2 questions. I'll answer the second question first and the first question second. Irrespective of your background, whether you have a marketing specialization or a finance specialization, you can definitely enter into this particular domain. What is important for you to understand is the regulator wants that you have to be certified in a particular say, like for example, there are two regulators. One is like you get a certification from NSC, and the second certification is from NISM.
You are muted. I think we could not.
Am I audible, Madhu ma'am?
Madhu, is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
You're audible,
okay.
sir.
Okay, okay. So, madam, NISM and NSC, they provide the certification. So, what I will suggest is, first of all, irrespective whether you are from marketing specialization or you are from finance specialization, that is not the criteria that the industry looks. The industry looks at your basic knowledge and the certification that you have as per the regulatory requirement. So, if you are the one who wants to become an investment advisor, you have to clear 2 certificates. One is NISM 10A and 10B. And the cost of getting the certified is not more than 4,000, 5,000 rupees. I believe that the student can definitely afford the same. And there are 2 books that will be shared over a mail in a soft copy. So they have to cover this, and that covers basic things. And as a management graduate, we expect the fact that yes, people who are into the second year of MBA, they can definitely have a good idea about the working of financial market, bit of taxation, bit of derivatives. So that is one thing. Second thing that I will like to highlight over here is when you talk about the kind of the transformation or the transition in which the industry is going through, ma'am. Trust me, right now when I am in touch with any corporates, because right now I'm a SEBI empaneled trainer also. So when we are getting in touch with any corporates and all that, they are preferring people with some real-time ground exposure of the particular subject. Like when you do your summer internship, there are people who do their summer internship, just they have a certificate, nothing more than that. But I believe is summer internship is one such period wherein you get exposed to the real time dynamics of the industry. So I will urge one thing to the student community: don't take the summer internships lightly. This is a very important part of the entire project, because sometimes what happens is your summer internship foundation will land you to your job foundation. जो आपको job मिलेगी ना कहीं that will be depending on the summer internship that you have done, and during the summer internship try to at least get 1 or 2 certification done. So just take it as an assignment for 45 days, get in touch with your mentor, do ensure that you understand a bit of practicality of the industry, ask your mentor कि show us the practical part कि हम किस तरीके से practically करते हैं सर, आप मेरे को टर्मिनल दिखाओ कैसा होता है. You can always right now the demat and trading account can be opened free of cost, so you don't have to put in money. You just open your account free of cost, put in 500 rupees just for a demo purpose, just see how does the entire dynamic works. So once you do it practically, and in the interim time you have 2-3 additional, I have highlighted 3-4 certification. So get yourself 4 certification. One I have cleared as NISM 10A, NISM 10B, NISM 5B, and NISM 8. These are the 4 certifications. Again, I repeat, NISM 10A, NISM 10B, NISM 8, and NISM 5B. These are the 4 certification at the point of entry every corporate looks at. So if you are the one with a marketing background on apni 4 certification kar diya, it's very easy, it's not difficult. If you have been trained for that, you can clear the exam in 3 days. 3 दिन भी आप exam clear कर सकते हो. 10A, this one, your 8 and 5B. For 10A, 10B, you will require 15 days. So bit of study, bit of knowledge can definitely take you to a different way altogether. Right, ma'am?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, next question from Subhalagna. During this pandemic, so many people are already losing their job. So that means how do they can do their allocation of asset or manage their wealth?
Okay. See, it's a very good question from your end. What I am saying is, we are aware that this is something which is across globe. This is not specific to India or Orissa or Cuttack or Bhubaneswar. So it is a global factor. That is the reason why, as a financial planner, we always ask people that they have to have a contingency planning. When I say contingency planning, we assume that there can be a scenario that I met with a road accident and I'm not in a position to work for 6 months. That means I have my own household expenses. I need to ensure that whatever the household expenses that I have or whatever my basic need has to be covered. So we have always asked people to create a provision for at least 6 months of their monthly expenditure. And if people have not listened to that particular advice and they have not respected the same, that is where they are struggling. Second is, see, when you talk about a pandemic kind of situation, this is an unprecedented time. This is something which is, I told you, no, you cannot make provision for such time. This is beyond somebody's imagination. To be very honest, the best of wealth manager could not predict this. Even though from the month of January 2020, we had some idea about this pandemic, this particular virus, but people took it for granted. They believe that again, it is just like a normal virus that we are used to, but the kind of scale and the magnitude of this impact was in a larger scale. So you have to accept the fact that there will be certain scenario which is beyond somebody's calculation. So if they have built up an asset, they can dispose a part of their assets and they can take care of their liquidity needs. But if they have planned for their contingency, I believe that there won't be any problem. और लोगों ने पैसा भी बहुत बनाया है. If somebody who were creative and they have adapted to technology, people have grown multifold during pandemic also. So आपको it all depends upon how responsive you are to a particular situation.
Sir, adding to your point, like beforehand, we were not that much faith on insurance, but now this COVID made the people compulsion to do insurance and run after insurance so far.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir. Sir, another question from Srijan Shukla. As an Indian, we have a ritual to save rather than investing in the market. So is this mindset beneficial to us? If yes, then till what period and know then how we can adopt the practice of investing?
Okay, wonderful question. Actually, you are absolutely right. On ground, people still don't believe in investing. वो अभी भी save कर रहे हैं. That is the reason why the regulator and the financial company, they are doing lots of investor awareness program. In fact, I have personally conducted more than 950 sessions attended by over 1 lakh people. So you have to educate people. You have to make them understand कि I will just give you 1-2 minutes example so that you can relate to it. If I have 100 rupees with me and if I keep it in my cupboard, the value after 1 year becomes 95 because of inflation. We all know this. इतना तो हमें पता है. और कोई भी नॉर्मल आदमी को पूछोगे ना इन्फ्लेशन क्या होता है, वो भी समझेगा। अगर कोई लेडी को पूछोगे इन्फ्लेशन क्या, तो उनको समझाओ पानी पूरी वाला एग्जांपल। मैडम 10 साल पहले 10 रुपए में 8 पानी पूरी और अभी 4 पानी पूरी, से विल अंडरस्टैंड कि इन्फ्लेशन क्या होता है, राइट। सेकंड इज, इफ यू हैव 100 रुपीज एंड इफ यू कीप द मनी इन बैंक, अभी कितना मिलता है 5%, इन्फ्लेशन 5%, मनी ग्रोज एट 5%, पैसा बचा, दैट इज कॉल्ड सेविंग। सेकंड इज व्हाट इज इन्वेस्टिंग व्हेन द रिटर्न इज मोर देन द इन्फ्लेशन फिगर। इन्फ्लेशन फिगर जो है आपका उससे ज्यादा होना चाहिए। अब लोग पूछेंगे कि तो हमको इन्वेस्टमेंट खाली इन्फ्लेशन के लिए करना, आंसर इज नो, because your cost doesn't increases only because of inflation. Your cost increase because of other factor apart from inflation. What are the other factors? Your responsibility will increase your cost. The day your father and mother depends on you, your cost will increase. When you get married, your kharcha will increase. When you have a kid, your kharcha will increase. Your healthcare cost has gone up. The lifestyle cost, आज के डेट में lifestyle cost has been a great contributor. आप देखो आज के डेट में लाइफस्टाइल, since last 2 years people are not going out. Before 2020 you open your Facebook account, everyone is traveling. कोई दुबई जा रहा है, कोई इधर जा रहा है, कोई उधर जा रहा है। आपको लग रहा है मैं इधर बैठ के खाली काम कर रहा है, बाकी दुनिया घूम रही है। This is what is happening. In a wedding people have to wear मान्यवर। एक मान्यवर का एक टाइम का कपड़े की कॉस्ट है 5000 रुपीज। हस्बैंड मान्यवर, वाइफ मोहे, बच्चे मान्यवर, एक शादी में खर्चे 15000 रुपए हो जाते हैं एक 2 घंटे के प्रोग्राम के लिए। And when you have 6 ritual during the entire wedding, the manya will take 2 lakh rupees from you. That is what I'm saying. That is the kind of kharcha, and we start comparing. And Warren Buffett says, right? He says we start spending on things that we don't need to impress people who don't like us. मैं इसलिए कपड़ा नया लेता हूँ ताकि मैं वो दूसरे को दिखा सकूं मेरे पास कितना पैसा है। I still remember my mother used to say me कि वो एक साड़ी में 10 वेडिंग अटेंड करते थे। By having one साड़ी she can attend 10 weddings, क्योंकि उस समय कोई फेसबुक में फोटो नहीं डालता था। अभी अगर आपने एक साड़ी पहन के एक फोटो डाल दिया है, नेक्स्ट वेडिंग में आप दूसरी साड़ी पहनना पड़ेगी क्योंकि फेसबुक पे फोटो डालना है ना। यू कैन नॉट रिपीट द सेम। दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। सो वंस यू आर हैविंग एक्सपोज्ड टू लाइफस्टाइल एक्सपेंसेस, वंस यू बिलीव दैट यस हमको सोसाइटी के साथ रहना है, कार लेना है, पिज्जा खाना है, बर्गर खाना है, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको एक चीज करना पड़ेगा, आपको अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट पैटर्न में बदलाव करना जरूरी है। एजुकेट पीपल विद राइट एग्जांपल, राइट इंसाइट, राइट स्टोरीज, राइट आइडियम्स, right metaphors, they will get in love with the subject. ये कला है समझाने की, and this is a learnable skill. You can definitely develop and learn, right?
Thank you, sir. Sir, another question from Mr. Arun. Sir, can you please suggest some helpful softwares which may help an MBA students to improve and learn better soft skill?
Actually, I will suggest a hardware. The hardware is your friend who is standing opposite to you. That is the best thing that can be possible, because see, you have to learn things in life with a harder way. हमेशा जो होती है ना सॉफ्ट स्किल जो है ना बहुत हार्ड है सीखने के लिए। इसका नाम है सॉफ्ट स्किल, बट इज अ वेरी हार्ड स्किल टू लर्न। So what I will suggest is get in touch with your friend, maybe your cousin, your brother and all. उसके सामने उसको बोलो, या फिर stand in front of a mirror. That is the best trick that you can do. Otherwise, you can do one thing. You can turn on your Zoom platform and you start sharing something, get it recorded. उसके बाद देखो कि आप कैसे बात कर रहे हो। This is, and इस communication improve में it all depends upon आपके अंदर में input कैसा गया है। अरुण, if you can unmute yourself. अरुण एक बार अपने आप को unmute कीजिए। अरुण, मेरे को एक बात बताओ, आप गर्मी के दिन में एक गार्डन में खड़े हो और सामने में मैंगो का ट्री है, आपको क्या मन करेगा? Arun,
Are you there? He may left, sir.
Sir, am I audible to you?
Arun,
Yes.
please go ahead. Yes.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Sir, definitely to eat a mango.
Okay, तो मैंगो को देखा किसने?
Sir, मैंने।
आपकी आंखों ने, राइट?
Yes, sir.
अब मैंगो तोड़ने जाएगा कौन?
Yes.
सर मुझे ही जाना पड़ेगा।
आपका पैर, राइट? जाएगा कौन? आपका पैर। यानी जिसने देखा वो गया नहीं, गया कौन? आपका पैर। और मैंगो तोड़ेगा कौन?
सर हाथ।
ओके, यानी जो गया उसने तोड़ा नहीं, तोड़ा किसने? आपके हाथ ने। खाएगा कौन?
सर मुंह।
ओके, जिसने तोड़ा उसने खाया नहीं, खाया किसने? आपके मुंह ने। और जो गार्डन का ओनर है उसने आपको जोर से डंडा मारा, आंसू कहां से निकलेगा?
सर आंखों से।
देखा किसने था?
सर गार्डनर।
तो नहीं, देखा किसने? मैंगो को देखा किसने? आपकी आंखों ने देखा।
सर आंखों ने। या
So your input will decide your output, right? So get the right sort of input so that you get the right sort of output. अपने एक्सपोजर्स को अच्छे रखिए, so that you can get a better clarity of what to talk. When you know what to talk, you can always build on how to talk. But if you don't know what to talk, then how to talk will not be kind of that impactful.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Yes. और
Sir,
एक तो
again,
है-
yes, sir. Amit and Shukracharya both are running after the good courses. They can build their career after completion of PGDM degree. They are asking, sir, what can be the best courses?
Yes,
Like you have,
yes, I've
you
said
already-
yes, CWM and CFP are these two things. You can definitely
Sir.
go for that. That's a good value addition course. So nowadays, everyone buys their asset on EMI. Is this good for financial health? Swarupa Roji ji, you're absolutely right that people are buying things. अभी problem क्या है ना, थोड़ा सा, this is again something that I wish to highlight. There are people right now, they are marketing their disease also. अभी देखो बहुत जन होते हैं ना, किसको अगर डायबिटीज होगा ना, वो अपने को वो सबके सामने बोलेगा, जानचू मुझे डायबिटीज, मेरे को कोलेस्ट्रॉल है, मेरे को ब्लड, ऐसा ऐसे बहुत ग्लैमरस, उनको जो डिजीज भी होता है उनको ग्लैमर दिखता है. अब ये जो EMI है ना, EMI का मतलब क्या होता है पता है? EMI का मतलब होता है कर्जा. EMI का टेक्निकली मीनिंग होता है कर्जा, लेकिन
Yes,
हमको इतना ब्यूटीफुली साउंड होता है EMI, राइट? अब आगे हमारे दादाजी, अगर आप पूछोगे ना, दादाजी का एक ही स्टेटमेंट था, बेटा जितना चादर हो उतना ही पैर फैलाओ. आपने सुना होगा, राइट? आज का यूथ क्या बोल रहा है पता है? आज का यूथ बोल रहा है, पापा सोऊंगा तो मैं आराम से पड़ोसी की चादर ले आऊंगा. अब ये जो EMI है ना, वो पड़ोसी का चादर है. द प्रॉब्लम इज दिस EMI इज अ चादर, इज द बेडशीट ऑफ योर नेबर. वो किसी और का सेविंग जो है आपने अपने कंजम्पशन के लिए यूज कर लिया. जिस दिन दुकान के बाहर में ऐसा लिख दे कि कर्जा लेके टीवी ले आइए, आप लोग कोई नहीं लेंगे. EMI साउंड्स वेरी, बोलते हैं ना, नोवेल्टी वर्ड है ये बहुत, लेकिन कर्जा जो वर्ड है ना वो नेगेटिव है. So this is how the marketer play with you. There are few assets that you have to buy on EMIs. जैसे घर खरीदना तो EMI पे लेना पड़ेगा. You don't have a choice. But as far it is not required, please avoid getting yourself to the EMI culture, because उधारी जो है वो एक बीमारी है, वो कहीं ना कहीं आपके फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ को डिस्ट्रॉय करती है, राइट?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Any other questions, students?
I have shared a link to my YouTube channel. If you wish, you can connect to that. And if you have any query, you can connect on my WhatsApp. We would be more than happy to answer your query.
Yes.
I have one more question.
Yes, ma'am.
I have one more question. I think the during this summer internship program, and how many students you are taking this time, Mr. Dhananjay Bantia sir? How many students you are taking, and what type of certification you are going to give, and how this will help them in developing themselves as a wealth planner, or so please highlight on this.
Okay,
So
ma'am,
during this pandemic, are you taking them physically or you are giving them online? And can you please highlight on this?
okay, ma'am, already the students are on
I
board.
know, I know. And then
Yes,
can you please highlight what's the content, what
Okay.
resources you are giving to them?
Already they have their first session that was already completed. We talked about the banking, how does the entire banking system works, and how they can plan out their career in the same. And going ahead, I will be asking them to join for few of my workshops that I conduct for financial advisors. And I have 2 certifications in my mind during this entire internship that will be ensuring that the participants are certified for NISM 10B and NISM 8. These are the 2 certificates because of the time constraint and given the fact that this is virtual. So there will be certain kind of communication bit of gap, because physical setup is totally different as compared to this virtual. But we'll ensure that at least 2 certifications all the participants will have by the end of this mentorship program or the internship program. Right, ma'am?
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you
Yeah,
so
ma'am.
much. Thank you so much.
So, ma'am, no such question, ma'am, anymore. So, so, should I wait?
Madhu, you want me to tell something?
I have one clarification, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sir, please, most
No,
welcome.
let-
Dhananjay sir, please meet our chairman, sir.
No, let
Uh-huh.
Madam
Bantia
ask
sir.
her question.
Sir will ask question first. Yes, sir. Sir, please.
Dean Madam is asking her question. Let her ask her question. Let Dean Madam ask.
He was very close to you. He was very close to you. I think he has spent hours together with you, and so your very young, dynamic interaction with him you have seen. Now you can see our new chairman, Lieutenant General Joyant Kumar Mohanty sir, and very rich experience in Indian Army. I think more than 4 decades. And in education also, he has a long-standing experience in Army. And you will also find similar vibrancy, similar enthusiasm from him, who would like to know tidbit regarding what is happening in the class, what students are doing, what faculty are doing. And though not physically, but virtually, it's an opportunity. Sir is here, and you can meet him, and you can interact with him. And I believe students will also get enough opportunity, and they can also enjoy out of this interaction. Sir, please.
Mr. Dhananjay, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Mr. Dhananjay. So sweet of you. In fact, your talk was really motivating. I don't know about the students. Honestly, I got very highly motivated. And thank you very much. I listened to your talk from the beginning till the end. I hardly missed a word, except where it got garbled because of probably the communication mistakes. In fact, very, very erudite talker you are. And now that I have met you virtually, I think you would get a call from me to guide me as to how am I going to put my 2 pennies worth, whatever I'm putting these days. Wonderful talk. And I thank you very much. And I'm sure your motivating talk today will lead some of our students to opt for the line that you have given them an insight for. Thank you very much. And we in the Bhavan would look forward to your interaction with us more frequently, and we shall be troubling you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. It is always an honor to be a part of this wonderful, great institute, and looking forward to add to the best of my capacity, whatever value that I can bring to the table, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Dhananjay. Wonderful meeting you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now it's really great. This webinar turned out a successful because of the participation and the kind of enthusiasm from participant side as well as our experts. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of BCCM and myself, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to the honorable delegates and our expert who blessed us with their presence and took out valuable time out of their busy schedule. Dhananjay sir is, as always, very busy, and he promised, and sir, really we are thankful to you. First of all, I would like to thank our expert for sharing his precious knowledge with all of us. I personally liked his starting point from the purpose of life to the ending of career opportunities, including karma and that pandemic. He related all the situation with fun and humor, which I hope students, most of the students must be like that, and they have learned something out of it. And the courses which, sir, you have mentioned, it's really valuable for them. If they are going for that, they will definitely get a better career. And at the end, I would like to thank all my participants and Sadiq sir and all my faculty colleagues who helped me to make this event successful. Thank you everyone.